Wanna catch you, girl. I love you.
I'm ready for the day you'll open up your heart. I'm ready for the way you'll make me feel when I know it's real. I'm ready for your love, ready just to see your body laying on top of mine. I'm ready for your touch, I've waited long enough. I'm ready for your love.
We've been through so much, can't believe this is happening. You showed me the meaning of true beauty, a beautiful woman that walked out my life. Valentine's Day, it's coming soon. Hold me again and we can survive anything. Love can be so cruel in many ways. You're my addiction and I craved you for a while now. Damn, I'm looking at my guardian angel. It was my fault all along. That word guardian is correct. Since I was last 7 months back, you always had my back. And I thank you for opening my eyes, opening them to my girl, the one that makes me smile. Now you want to walk out of my life, a heartbreaker, ready to pounce at any moment.
I'm ready for the day
Don't ever
you'll
forget
open
that.
up your heart.
She's like,